Hello, my name is Janet Taylor, better known as Janet the Organizer by some, or Organizer Janet, and I am here for another organized living segment. And today we're going to talk about my desk, how I keep my desk clear, because that's one of the things that I always talk about is the clear desk. So today I'm just going to share with you a few strategies on how I do it. And one of the major things, the tools that really helps me do it is the bookcase behind me. So I'm just going to kind of slide over a little bit. This is a letter tray. Of course, you see the top shelf actually has my planner, and that's for another segment coming up soon. So be sure to stay tuned. The second one has folders, and I'm going to share with you those folders and how they truly help me stay focused, but help me also get things done. And then the last one are just things I always constantly need to grab. I have a notebook for any podcast ideas or other ideas that I may have. All of those are down here. But that is one way that I truly keep my desktop clear because I like to be able to walk in, see a clear desk because I'm more strategic, I'm more focused, and I'm not overwhelmed. But I just want to turn around and I want to bring these folders out. So these folders are labeled Monday through Saturday because there are times when I do work on Saturday. And I'm not sure if you can see them clearly, but that has Monday on it. And what I love about these folders is they are actually have a double pocket. So what I do is I put information about as I plan my week, and make sure you stay tuned for that segment. But I plan my week, I make sure that I put the corresponding paperwork for that day. For example, sometimes I host and sponsor workshops, so therefore I like to keep that information in that specific folder. So I make sure I put it in there, and then throughout the week, if there's little notes that I need to make for myself, for example, I have a little note to myself to make a list of all of my equipment. So that helps me. So each day has a file, and therefore any paperwork I need for that day is in the file. So therefore, when Monday comes, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, I grab the folder, and then I actually have all the paperwork and information I need for that day. So that truly helps me stay strategic. And of course, again, at the end of my evening, I just make sure that I take time to clear my desk. So I hope this little short mini segment helps you. And I just want to let you know these wonderful little square baskets behind me have my stuff in it as well. This one has all of my old planners and notebooks that sometimes I have to refer to. This one actually has ideas because, sometimes you have an idea. You see something and you have an idea, whether it's an idea if you're in business or if it's an idea for something you want to do in your home or in your life. So that way they're there, they're convenient, but they are truly allowing me to have a clutter-free space. So if there's other questions that you want to ask or things you just want to know in regards to how to be more organized in your home, your office, your business, and your life, please post in the comments below and I will create a segment for that. So again, thank you for joining me and continue to have a clutter-free day. Take care. Bye.